Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Maria Pamela Lumerio Malacca. I'm from Draga Albay, Bicol. I'm 25 years old and I'm single.
Do you have kids?
I have one handsome kid, 4 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 10 siblings and I am fourth from the eldest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a college undergrad. I took up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies.
Why did you not finish your
It's
college?
because of the financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have. I work as a house helper for 2 years and I serve one adult and 2 children ages 3 and 8 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are taking good care of the children, cooking, gardening, doing laundry and other household chores.
How would you describe yourself?
I am joyful, kind, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have. I have 2 in my left arm, one in back of my neck, and 3 from my right leg, but it's not visible.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to earn and save it for my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will play with them and I will talk to them calmly.
What is your message to your future employer?
For my dear future employer, I will promise to you that I will be a good worker and I can assure you that I am trustworthy, hardworking, and honest. And I'll promise that I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.